Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Samsung Galaxy M15 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. In this phone you can use two applications in a single screen. The feature's name is split screen. Firstly open any app. Now put it in recents, then click on apps icon. There you will see the option of open in split screen view. Click on this. Now select the second app you want to use. For example, I want to use Drive. Now you're able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. You can change the color palette of the UI of this smartphone. To change it, simply tap and hold it on the home screen and then click on wallpaper and style. There you will see the option of color palette. Click on this. Firstly, enable color palette. Then it will show the color palette according to your wallpaper. If you want to select from this, then select anyone. Otherwise, click on basic colors. You can select any basic color as well. Select any color palette and then click on apply. It will take few seconds. After that, your UI color change will change to that specific color palette. As you can see here, the color palette has changed. Now you can even read deleted messages of WhatsApp in the smartphone, and you can do that without downloading any third-party app. Simply go to settings, scroll down and then click on notifications. Then click on advanced settings. There you will see the option of notification history. Click on this. Now enable notification history. Now whenever someone sends you a notification, it will save it in notification history, and even if he deletes it, you will be able to read it. If you are worried about your eyes health while using a smartphone, then next features are for you. Simply open settings, scroll down and then click on display. The first feature is dark mode. Simply enable this. Now your phone will turn dark, so it will protect your eyes. There's another feature, that's eye comfort shield. If you enable this, then it will change the color to little warm, so it will protect your eyes. So you can enable these two features if you want your eyes to be protected. If you don't like this 3-button navigation and you want to change it to gesture navigation, you can also do that. Simply go to settings, scroll down and then click on display. Scroll down and then click on navigation bar. After this, select swipe gesture. It will take few seconds. Now after that, you can go back from swiping left or from right. You can open recent app by swiping up from the middle bottom, or you can come to home screen by just swiping up from middle bottom. So that's how you can change from 3-button navigation to gesture navigation. If you want to increase the life of your battery, the next feature is for you. Simply go to settings, scroll down and then click on battery. Again, scroll down. There you will see the option of battery protection. Simply enable this. Now it will take normal time to charge your battery up to 80%, and after that it will take a little more time to fully charge your smartphone. By this you can increase your battery life and use your phone for a long time. If you're using your phone by a single hand, then it feels a little uneasy to swipe down the control panel. But there's a feature by which you can swipe it down by scrolling on the middle of the screen. To enable this, simply go to your settings, scroll down and then click on home screen. Again scroll down. There you will see the option of swipe down for notification panel. Simply enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you just have to swipe down from the middle of the screen. It will open the notification panel. You can also add your fingerprint to unlock your phone. To register your biometrics, simply go to settings, scroll down and then click on security and privacy. Again scroll down. There you will see the option of biometrics. Click on this. Now select fingerprints. But if you want to register your face, then click on face recognition. After that you will be able to unlock your phone by your face. Click on fingerprints, then click on continue and then click on next. Firstly, you have to set a password. Select pin, password or pattern, whatever you want. Here I select pin, then select a 4 to 16 digit password. Here select this, then click on continue, then confirm your pin. After that, click on OK. Now place your finger on the sensor and keep on tapping until it completely captures your finger. After this, click on done. Now you are able to unlock your phone by using your fingerprint as well. Just like your computer, you can use any app in floating window in the smartphone as well. To do that, simply open any app, then put it in recent Then click on apps icon. There you will see the option of open in pop-up view. Now it will start floating. You can adjust the size of this as well. Now you can keep on using your phone and it will keep on floating. To close it, simply click on this close icon. You can open camera by just double pressing your power button, or you can set any app for this action. To do that, simply go to settings, scroll down and then click on advanced feature. There you will see the option of side button. Click on this. Firstly enable double press, then click on open app. Now select your favorite app. You can select torch, calculator, calendar or any other app. Here I select torch. Now I will double press the power button. It will open the torch. In this smartphone you can't take a screenshot by swiping down your three fingers, but there's another gesture by which you can click a screenshot. Simply swipe to the right of your palm and you will be able to click a screenshot. In this smartphone you can dual any app or clone any app and use two different accounts of a single social media app. For that, simply go to settings, scroll down and then click on advanced features. There you will see the option of dual messenger. Click on this, then it will show all the apps which are clonable, and select the app you want to clone. Click on install, then it will create two apps of that application so that you can log in from two different accounts. This phone comes with very amazing gestures and motion features. To explore this, simply go to the settings, scroll down and then click on advanced features. There you will see the option of motions and gesture. Click on this. The first one is lift to wake. If you enable this, and whenever your phone is on table, so whenever you will pick it up, it will automatically wake your screen.